Okay, so we're gonna fire up the lawnmower. Terrell's gonna be filming, so sorry for the bad film quality. It's okay, dude. Okay, there he is. So, whoa there, dude. Okay, you gotta film me now. Point at me through the screen. Okay, let's see if it starts. Okay, boys. Wait a second, where did these keys go? Okay, boys, ready?
The parking mag's still on.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we got it fired up.
I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, guys, I have it fired up. Okay, you got it taken off?
What?
Yeah, so back up a bit. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's good. Let's see here. Crank it the other way. And go straight for a bit. Go straight until I tell you, keep going. Okay. Now, turn it the other way. Turn it. Nope. Turn it, crank it, turn it. Crank it. Okay, now back up. Just watch your front end. Watch that. Yeah, keep going, back it up. Keep going. Keep coming, keep coming, keep going. Okay, crank it the other way now. Crank it the other way. Just doing it. Okay, now try it. Okay, we're gonna need to watch this trailer right here. Hey, stop! Okay, now you can go. Keep going backwards here. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. Crank it all the way the other way and just pull out that way. So, yeah, I'm gonna need to move this thing. Where does this dumb old bump go? Okay. Oh boy. What's going on back there? Are we scraping? Oh shoot. Crank it down, yep, just back up. Really slowly though, because you don't want the trailer to hit. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, now go forward and crank it all the way that way. Yeah, crank it harder. Oh yeah. Now try going forward. Oh yeah, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You're good. Don't go too fast though. Okay, stop for a second. Now keep coming. Watch your trailer, make sure your trailer don't hit. You're doing good over here. Yep, keep going. Okay, he's pulling that out. I better get the other lawnmower fired up. Where's he going? There he goes. I'm not sure where he's going, but yeah, just stop it right there. Just stop it right there, but don't shut it off. Just stop it right there, but don't shut it off. Okay, come on. Okay, so we're gonna need a tractor to hook up to this trailer. Yeah, that's good. Whoa there, buddy. Woohoo! Okay, so we need to fire up this old pile of junk. So let's put the keys in that one. Okay, I think the keys for that tractor might be on the... Let's see if this key works. If this key don't work, then... Oh yeah, this key works. Just kidding. That key don't work. Okay, this key's gotta go in here then. If it fits. Oh, baby, come on! Oh shoot, man, it don't fit. Dang it! But it says... Oh, that's not Honda, that's Eton. Okay. This has got to go in here. Oh yeah, okay. Let's steal the keys from the lawnmower here. These keys off this ring right here, I guess. Okay, there we go. Okay, how hard do they make the key rings? Not too hard actually. Tyrell's getting the trailer all set up, I think. for pulling by hand right now. But hey, we're gonna need to tow that trailer with this tractor right here. So back it like the trailer in there, and then change it over to hooking up to lawnmowers. Yeah, woo! He's strong. Okay, let's see if this whole thing fires up. See if I have the right key. Plug her in here. Okay, boys. Here goes. Sounds like a pile. I don't know about this, guys. I better put the choke on here. Oh yeah, she fires. Okay, she runs. Yeah, we're gonna have to move that old pile of junk. Okay, yeah. So it's got some keys on it. So let's scoot this dude out of the way. Let's see here. What does Turtle got going back there? Woo there! There we go. Okay. You can drop that. I'll do it. Thank you, though. You can just wait on the tractor over there. I gotta get set up.